Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use AjaxPress, the plugin that turns your WordPress site into a fast, seamless single-page application. Let's get started. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, click on Add New In. The search bar type AjaxPress. Once it appears, click Install Now. Then, click Activate. Boom, it's live and working. No extra setup needed. Now let's see it in action. Visit the front end of your site, click on any page, post, or product. You'll notice the page doesn't reload. Only the content changes. Everything loads instantly in the background, just like a real app. Even blog comments work in real time. Type your comment, click Submit, and it appears without reloading the page. Simple, fast, smooth. Now let's check the settings in your dashboard. Go to Settings, then click AjaxPress. Here's where you can customize. In the Controls tab, you'll see two switches. One for instant navigation. This controls smooth page loading. The other is Instant Comments. This controls real-time comment submission. You can turn either one off anytime, but by default, both are enabled. Next, click on the Animations tab. Here you'll find more UI enhancements. First, Show Progress Bar. This adds a loading bar during navigation. Next, Show Loading Spinner. You can customize the icon and message users see while loading. Then, Animate Cursor adds motion to your mouse while the page is loading. Animate Content animates elements after the page loads. And finally, Scroll to Top smoothly scrolls to the top after a page change. All options are toggle-based, easy to turn on, easy to turn off. These features come built in with the free version of AjaxPress. And for most users, that's all you need. Ready to make your site feel like an app? Install AjaxPress today. It's fast, it's smart, and it just works.